This video is sponsored by Bango.in. Bango.in offers low-cost shipping on wide range of more than 200,000 plus products. Smartphones, smartphones, smartphones. Smartphones change the way we live in the recent years. Almost everything can be done via smartphone. But there are over 400 million feature phone users in India at the moment who wish to use feature phones still. For them, Xiaomi is also to launch a featured phone called Xiaomi Qin AI 4G phone. So in this video, we are going to look at this phone. Let's get started. Let's start with the unboxing. The package is so compact, it is smaller than a modern 6-inch smartphone. The package has everything written in Chinese since it is an imported item. First comes the Qin phone. Let me peel off the protective cover. Let me peel off the stickers as well that has informations. Wow, this looks amazing. As you can see, it is so slim and the design is symmetrical as well. After that, Type-C USB cable. This is one of the good part of the phone. This feature phone has Type-C slot that you don't see in mid-range smartphones as well. Next comes the SIM ejector pin since this feature phone doesn't have removable back cover. And at last, we get to see the information guide. So this is all about the package. Time to look at the phone. This is not Xiaomi manufactured phone, but Xiaomi crowdfunds a phone from the brand called Qin. But it is sold under the name of Xiaomi as well. First time a feature phone gets all its attention just for its design. It has unibody plastic design that is slim, symmetrical and nice to hold. All four edges are curved, giving smooth feel experience. The keypad you see is not made of typical rubber as seen in other feature phones, but this is made of polycarbonates. On top we get an infrared sensor. Yes, you heard it right, it comes with infrared sensor like seen in smartphones, which lets you to control TVs, ACs and refrigerators. On bottom we have Apple style bottom firing loudspeaker. In fact, there is loudspeaker on top as well. Here is the loudspeaker test. There is Type-C slot which should be a treat for all those featured phone users. On left we got SIM slot. In fact, it's a hybrid slot which lets you to use two SIMs or a SIM and micro SD card up to 32 gigs. The sweet news is it supports 4G Volt as well. Coming to the display, we do get a 2.8-inch QVGA quality display that has 240x320 pixels. Overall, the experience seems to be good even considering the viewing angles. Talking about the crucial part of the phone, that's the interface. The interface of the phone is slightly different as it runs on Android-based Mocor 5 OS, but the overall experience is very similar to any other feature phones. At the moment, it doesn't offer Play Store or any type of third-party applications to download and run. It is basically an AI phone with no smartphone-like features. One of the main features of this phone is the AI. With its AI, it can real-time translate to 17 languages. It can also answer your queries just like Google and Siri. We also get Android-like notification toggle buttons by tapping down. Switching the tab gives you access to all the notification, which is again just like Android. Inside the phone we have this huge 1480 mAh battery which should offer standby up to 15 days and up to 400 minutes of talk time on a single charge. Let's talk about the connectivity. It has Wi-Fi and portable Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity and 4G LTE support. It can also receive updates over the air regularly utilizing its Android platform. In fact, I have received more than 3 updates so far within a week. That's a good part of this phone. There are cons in this phone as well. You don't get rear camera in this phone and this is probably the biggest compromise you gotta do it. You would also notice there is no vibrator present in the phone. And I'm not sure how did they manage to skip this crucial part in this phone. If you think I deserve a credit for making this video, then hit the subscribe button to become part of this channel. Also, let's thank Bango.in for sponsoring this video. This is Satish. Have a nice day and stay awesome.